What is up, guys? It's been a while. I meant to have some video for you guys from last weekend, but on the way to the track, my buddy's car started having this terrible fucking misfire. We wound up spending the rest of the night trying to diagnose that, and never really got to record anything. And all week it's just been like bleh and hot. And now it's just been raining the last couple days, but right now it's super nice out. It's 77. It's humid as shit, but whatever. We're about to make the 100-mile drive over to Amarillo. We're gonna hit the drag strip tonight. I got a couple of friends going, local friends going, and then a Volkswagen guys in Amarillo going. The weather's gonna be really good. I'm gonna have some ethanol, be able to test out the launch control no lift shift actually at the track. The current world record for manual Mark 7 on the stock turbo is 1207 or 1209, one of the two. His name's Alan something or other. Sorry, I don't remember your last name, bro. But I'm gonna try and beat that. I don't think I can. I'm gonna try. I'm at least gonna try and beat my personal best 60 foot, which is the 1.9. I'm gonna try and at least get a 1.7. But yeah, and then there's supposed to be a Mexican night after that. And then we got autocross night event tomorrow night in Amarillo as well. So we're staying the night tonight, doing that event tomorrow. It doesn't start till 11 at night. Probably won't get over till about 2 in the morning. And then we have a 2-hour drive back with the time change. So yeah, but I got a box here from Shop DAP, and we're gonna check out and see what's in there. And would you check that out? Another glass, lanyard, and a fucking badass shirt. It's perfect, because you know, I have a Blue R. I've never gotten to go to European Experience, but this is actually the back of the shirt. I thought it would be the front. The front has the European Experience on there, so that's pretty fucking sweet. Shout out to Paul at Shop DAP for giving us more free shit. I actually already have a lanyard and a glass. My first glass got messed up because I put it in the dishwasher and the heat ruined it. So I'm glad I actually have a nice beer glass to drink out of now. Alright, well, we finally made it to Amarillo. Got the babe right here, and literally our room's right here. So, it's pretty sweet. We already got ethanol, we already ate. What else? We just need to go check tire pressure, get the bugs off the windshield, and we're heading to the track. There's a bunch of people already there. Sun sets in like 45 minutes, and it's only like 80 something right now, low 80s, so it should drop pretty significantly, hopefully. I'm gonna start launch control out at the track, probably like 4,500. I don't want to, because this is like 1,000 feet lower than what I live, and like 2,000 feet from where I got tuned, so I don't want to start out at like 5,000 RPM and just be dropping a clutch. So I'm going to lower down a litlittle bit, and I have E85 now as well. So I'm going to try that out. It's a prep surface, but I don't know. We'll see. And then my boy Michael, shout out to Michael, his Evo is fucking sick, and hopefully see him kill some fucking people tonight. It's gonna be nice. I don't know how long we're gonna be at the track, but hopefully get 3-4 passes in, and then we'll go to this car meet and hopefully find some, you know, street stuff. All right, well, we're almost at the track. The sun's setting. It's 79 degrees, so like I said, it's dropping. It's gonna be really nice. I also forgot to mention, maybe I did, maybe I didn't, that the Amarillo Volkswagen dealership is actually sponsoring this event. And I didn't find that out till after I decided I was already going. So there's gonna be a good amount of the guys we're gonna be doing autocross with tomorrow are gonna be here tonight. So that's pretty sweet. And I don't know, hopefully Michael lines up with his GTR, because I'd love to see that Evo smack that ass. So we're in line to get teched. It's already dropped 3 degrees in the last like 10 minutes, so it's looking good. Handful of pretty sweet cars here. Hopefully I can get a decent pass. I have to check on what the DA is here in a second, but now I gotta do a ticket. Oh, they're skipping the water box as well. didn't go as expected or planned. My best, I think, was like a 13.26 at 106. Started out launch control pretty low in the day and then raised it up as I went. I think I finaled it out at like 5,100 with the semi prep surface, but I still couldn't get my 60 foot below 1.9. I think 1.92 was my best. My first couple runs, I could barely even get the car in the second gear because I was just so I get up there and I'm just like this. I mean, not to make excuses, but I don't really do stuff at the drag strip. I do a whole hell of a lot better on the street for whatever reason, whether it's heat soak or just seeing I got that one light to worry about and just hit it. I don't know, but you could definitely tell the top end at the track was just not there. Like the DA was decent. I had a decent ethanol mix. It just wasn't there. I was hitting like 24 PSI, which is like what I hit here at this altitude. And then later after the event and we're like fooling around on the highway, I was hitting like 27, 28 PSI, on the top end of third gear, which is, I'm in fourth gear on the track towards the end. So I don't know really what was going on there with the car, if it just wasn't having it or what. I know I can get a better time. I think next time when I go, I'm gonna literally just let the car sit there for like an hour and cool completely off. And when I get up there in line, I'm not even gonna keep the car on. I'm just gonna push it up until it's my turn to get in line. Hopefully take heat soak factor out of the whole thing and then get a nice clean pass. I know I can get it into like mid 12s. Like I have to be able to do it. There's no way, like, I don't know. But take it for what it's worth. It was a fun night, can't beat seat time, but stay tuned for tomorrow's video on autocross because that's where the car really shined this weekend. But I hope you enjoyed it. If you got any questions or whatever with launch control and a lift shift or what have you, just feel free to shoot me a message on Instagram or comment in the video, whatever. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the flip flop.